Namaste everyone. I am Dr. Sangeeta Gautam and this is MSc second semester class of molecular orbital theory. Now I tell you about the molecular orbital diagrams of different molecules. You can see here this diagram. This is the pictorial representation of energy level diagram of simple homonuclear diatomic molecules like O2, F2, neon 2, etc. Energy level diagram for B2, C2, N2 means less than O2 molecules is somewhat different as shown in this next diagram. The energy level of in this diagram pi b is lower than sigma b, and you can see here the difference between in these two diagrams. In this diagram sigma b is less than pi b, and here pi b is less than sigma b. The reason for the exceptional behavior of B2, C2 and N2 molecules is that the energy of 2s and 2pz atom orbital fairly close. Due to small energy difference between 2s and 2pz orbitals, the interaction between them becomes quite large. This results in loss of energy by sigma 2s and sigma star 2s, and thus the sigma 2s and sigma star 2s become more stable at the cost of sigma 2s and sigma star 2p orbitals, which get destabilized. Hence the energy level diagram for such molecules is little modified. You can see here the sequence of different molecular orbitals according to Aufbau principle. In this diagram you can see sigma b 2s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s bonding, sigma star 2s, then pi b 2pz and equals to pi b 2py, sigma b 2pz, pi star 2px, pi star 2py. These molecular orbitals are in equal energy level, and then lastly sigma star 2pz. For the molecules of larger than nitrogen atomic number like O2, F2, N2, the sequence of different molecular orbitals are sigma b 2s, sigma star 2s, sigma b 2s, sigma star 2s, sigma b 2pz, sigma b 2pz, pi b 2pz equals to pi b 2py, pi star 2px, pi star 2py, and lastly sigma star 2pz. Now we discuss here the electronic configuration of these molecules. The number of electrons present in the two atoms are counted and then filled in the appropriate energy level diagram according to Aufbau principle. The pairing in pi 2px and pi 2py or pi star 2px, pi star 2py will take place only when each molecular or orbital of identical energy has one electron. After writing the molecular orbital diagram for a molecule or ion, the parameters about the molecules may be predicted. First parameter is bond order. Bond order is defined as the number of covalent bonds by which the two atoms are joined in the molecule. It is calculated by bond order is equals to 1/2 number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So this is the formula of bond order. By using this we can calculate the bond order. By bond order, the next parameter we can predict it, that is bond length. Bond length is the distance between the centers of two bonded nuclei. It is inversely proportional to the bond order. As bond order increases, bond length decreases. For example, if bond order is 1, then bond length will be 1.43, and if the bond order is 2, then bond length will be 1.21 angstrom. If bond order is 3, then bond length will be 1.10. Next parameter is stability. Stability of molecules is directly proportional to the bond order. If bond order is increasing, then stability will also increase. Next parameter is magnetic property of molecules. When all the electrons in the molecular orbitals are paired, the molecule is repelled by the magnetic field. Such molecules are called diamagnetic. If molecular orbital possesses one or more unpaired electrons, then the molecules is attracted by the magnetic field and termed as paramagnetic. The magnetic moment by a atom, molecule or ion is calculated by the formula mu is equals to root n small bracket n plus 2, where mu is the magnetic moment and n is number of unpaired electron. Next parameter is dissociation energy. Dissociation energy is directly proportional to bond order. And dissociation energy is the energy required to separate the two atoms, is directly proportional to bond order. So bond dissociation energy increases if increase of bond order, if it is decreases if bond order is decreases. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you understand this molecular orbital diagram of homonuclear atoms. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.